Welcome back. Welcome back once again to the video tutorial series on BDD Cucumber Framework in 7 steps. We have so far come to 8 steps. We have learned how to create BDD Cucumber Framework from scratch. We learn how to create Maven project. We also learn how to prepare the test environment, taking some very necessary dependencies, Maven dependencies into our project, and how to put them into the pom.xml file, then how to build the project. And what we did, we also created feature file, created step definition, created JUnit test runner class, and run the whole BDD Cucumber framework. And finally, very important thing we did together, that is preparing very robust, very beautiful, powerful reports for the executives. All right, so thank you so much. You have been so consistent following my video tutorial and learn a lot from this series of video tutorial on behavior driven development test project. Okay, and today we are going to deal with some intermediate and advanced level of framework where we need to use parameters using regular expressions. Now, if you don't know regular expressions, please just go to Google and just type regular expression and see what are this, how they are used. Okay, and again, if you don't any knowledge on Java or Selenium, like basic Selenium or basic BDD Cucumber, please go back and watch some video tutorials created by me for you. Alright, that's it. It's not a rocket science. It's not a rocket science. Believe me, it's really easy, really simple. If you just invest a couple of hours, take pen and paper, watch the video, take some notes, and start taking actions. That's it. And you will learn within a couple of weeks. Believe me, trust me, you will learn it. It's not a rocket science. Okay, Selenium with Java or BDD Cucumber framework is not a rocket science, not even difficult. People make it difficult. Okay, but I'm here to make them simple, easy, fun, engaging, interesting. Okay, fine. Now, what will you do learning all these things actually if you don't have experience of working in the project? Ultimately, you are not going to get hired. So what is of the use learning all these difficult IT technologies? Don't worry, I will show you some platform where you can start learning and earning at the same time. Okay, joining the huge number of community where 500,000 of people are working from home, just simply online using their computer and internet connection. Do you need to know what is software testing, how we can develop a website? No, not at all. Don't worry about it. Just join the community and the community will teach you. Don't spend much time on internet just wasting your time doing anything. Just don't write chatting, messaging, and some bad comments, non-inspirational comments to the people, okay, and watching YouTube videos. These will be of no use ultimately. Just spending of time, wasting of priceless time. Rather, join with some active community where you can learn at the same time you can earn. Okay, so one of the best community I love and I work for last 3 years as a software test engineer. Okay, I also create some content and also train some newbies, like new test automation engineers, or those who really want to learn software testing, web design and development, web like WordPress, web design, and so on, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, Python, whatever I learned in last 7 years, I just share with the world community and help people learning this IT skills and make their living from anywhere in the world. Okay, so I'm going to introduce really huge platform, that is uTest.com. uTest.com, I love it because it's a huge community. There are 500,000 of people, okay, who are really love working for the wider world, working for the world community to make it better living place. These are the people I love. Why I love, I told you, almost 500,000 people, 500,000 people working every single day right from their home, okay, and make their living. These are the people. Now, this is my status, okay. Say, are you want more? Okay, do you want more video tutorials on BDD Cucumber? Please let me know. Okay, fine. Now, if you go to this profile, you will see 500,000 people working here. This many people following me, and this many people I'm following. Okay, I will give you this referral link just below this YouTube video. Just click on the link and sign up, and you will find huge if you go to home, huge people, making comments, like playing Facebook, but not free. You guys are spending a lot of time behind Facebook, Twitter, and some other social media for actually nothing. But this community, uTest.com, will pay you for what time you are spending. You can find projects here. Actually, before finding the projects, you see one project, I have been invited in one project. Every single day I'm being invited, and I'm trying to cope up with it. And if you go to community or go to academy, actually, if you even don't know anything about software testing, this community will teach you from the very beginning and prepare you to work in the projects. Okay, small or big, like Amazon.com, eBay.com, even Google, Facebook, um, like the huge banking applications, the financial industries, and internet industries are coming to uTest, giving them task to test their web application, and uTest community is engaging us to test those applications, and thus we are contributing directly to the world economy, and we are contributing to make this uh, mother earth a better living place every single day. You guys, you can also directly can contribute to the world economy just signing up here, learning some skills from this academy, uTest Academy, and learning from 500,000 people every single day. You can learn and at the same time work and earn. Okay, huge project, huge community, huge learning opportunities. Okay, these are the project boards, and you can just choose which project you want to work. Okay, and start working, but don't think just about making money or earning some bucks. First think about learning. Learn for 1 or 2 weeks, then start working, and you will find a huge project and a great community. Okay, see, okay, not a problem. Let me edit it. Are you want? No. Do you want? Okay, I'm sorry. Do you want more video tutorials on BDD Cucumber, friends? Okay. No, I'm giving the referral link just below this video tutorial. Now what we are going to do, the next step, I'm going to show you how to use parameters, how to parameterize in BDD Cucumber using regular expression. And if you don't know regular expression, just go to Google and find it out. Google is the best friend for the testers, test engineers, developers, teachers, students. Whatever you don't know, just go to Google and ask. Okay, and if you don't know, don't feel shy. Ask your friends, ask me, ask your teachers, and learn, 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 learn. There is no choice but learning something new every single day. Okay, so this is our step definition. We know by this time what is features, what is login, test feature, final dot feature, what is step definitions, and what is test runner, right? Now go to feature file. You see in the feature file, uh, given is precondition. I told you earlier, user opens browser. This is precondition. User must open the browser. Then in the when part, we will be giving the user's actions. Okay, what actions is he or she is going to take? Like the user enters URL, actually enters, okay, URL, this URL, and the user enters correct username, the user enters correct password, and the user clicks on the login button or submit button, whatever, then the user must successfully log in to the web application. Now, how you will know the users have successfully logged in? Then you have to validate it with a set dot SDET equals, okay, expected result with actual result that I have shown in the last video tutorial. Please check it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to provide here parameter, okay, the password, username and the password. And when we will go to step definition, if you go here, okay, this is username, but we are not giving any parameter, and we are hard coding. We are giving the admin username, admin, and password. This is hard coded, okay, but we can parameterize it. We can use regular expression, and we can put here, instead of giving hard-coded password, we can just write password. Instead of admin hard-coded username admin, we can just say username, and we can pass arguments here, okay. And what we can do, instead of this long URL, we can just put the URL, okay, and put here URL. Look very carefully, URL. And now you see this URL has been connected with this. These are regular expression, but we don't need to understand it, what the hell it is, believe me, okay. But if you understand, you will be the superstar. All right, hard work always pays, okay, always rewarding. So work hard, learn some very basic IT skills, and just sign up and start working. Learn and earn, okay. Now what I want to bring change here is I want to use this instead of this hard-coded admin, I want to use username, and instead of this hard-coded password, I want to use this pass or password, and I want to use some arguments here. Okay, how we can do it? Let's go, and username, let me mention the username is admin, okay. Come on, admin, just a minute, admin, fine. And instead in the password section, let me write admin123. This is our password actually, okay. And now you see, when I edit some more information, it's saying multiple markers at this line, the word admin is not correctly spelled, no definition found, okay, no problem, just save it and right button click, run as Cucumber feature. Of course it will invoke the browser, navigate to the application, pass the parameter, okay, log into the application because we have test runner, okay. Now it cannot because it's no more, this is mapped with step definition, okay, because we bring a little change, okay, we bring change. Now let's go and see, there we will find this tool is not, okay, implement, these steps is not implement, are not implement because we changed it, okay. So what we have to do, we have to copy it and we have to map here. These two steps we have to map with this and step definition. Okay, and we have to bind it with glue code, and we are using regular expression. We didn't create it, we just run the feature file, and the BDD Cucumber itself generated unimplemented, okay, undefined steps for us. This code of snippets generated automatically.
Metastatic breast cancer is relentless,
Okay.
but I was relentless first.
Oh my
Relentless about
goodness.
learning the first song we ever danced to.
We don't want to listen the song. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Now I'm taking it. I'm just copying it. Copy. And taking it to the step definition. Okay. What is the step definition? Step definition is this one. And you know, these two, username and password, let's make it comment. Okay. How I can make comment. Okay, slash star and here star slash slash. Okay, done. Now instead of these two step definition, I'm pasting here that I copied. Okay, these are the two. Now just make it indented. Okay, press and tab button and just remove this unnecessary codes. These two lines, these are unnecessary codes. Okay. And you see, now you can see these regular expressions come instead of our hard-coded username, and this password comes instead of the hard-coded password. Where you can see it, you can see it here instead of this. Okay, this admin. Okay, we find this, and instead of this password admin123, we got this regular expression, and instead of this argument 1 we are using username, and instead of this one we are using password. Okay, or you can write just uname or user. Okay, and we are almost done. Now just copy I will just copy this line. Copy this line. Actually, this code are written and pasting here. Alright, admin. So this is what? Actually, username. Actually, this username. Okay, and password is password. Let me copy it. If you want to write, you can write it again. You can code it again. No problem. I'm just showing you how we can quickly work on it. And this is password. Okay, actually sending this argument, the password inside the same case password. Instead of hard coding, we are using parameterization. Okay, now we are ready. Okay, so what we can do now, just run it and see how beautifully it's working fine. Okay, run with JUnit tests. It's invoking the browser. Look at it. Okay, passing the parameter, we are inside of it, and the test pass. Do you think it's difficult? No. We are working every single day. We are dealing with a lot of problems, more difficult problems than this one. It's very simple. If you watch the video several times, maybe 2 times, and take some notes and start taking action, you can learn it within a couple of hours. So simple, so easy. It's fun, engaging, and interesting. Okay, so what we have learned today, we have learned to parameterize and parameters using regular expression, and how we can make it more beautiful and robust framework. Okay, so that's all for today. Again, don't forget to join the world's biggest community for the software test engineers or testers. Even you don't know anything about testing, don't be scared. Just sign up, start reading some articles. Okay, go to the website, start reading articles, start learning, and join the project. Start working, and people are there, nice people are there to help you to complete the project even. Okay, your test team lead, task project lead, and moreover 500,000 software testers are there to help you, believe me. Okay, and if you like my tutorials, don't forget to subscribe it, hit the bell icon to get more notification whenever I upload new tutorials. I am uploading every single day tutorials on web design and development, okay, software development, software testing, WordPress web design and development, and on so many topics. Okay, and I'm writing on a lot of topics. I'm writing ebooks, and also within the ebook I'm giving the video tutorials a link. Just click on them and watch the video, learn the skills, start working. Okay, I have already written the Bible for the software testers, the people, those who want to have very strong background on software testing process. It will be helpful for them. And I have written Selenium step by step, Selenium made easy. Okay, it's for the beginners. I have discussed little Java and the basic fundamentals of Selenium WebDriver. You can learn after intermediate level. And about the framework, I have written an ebook on BDD Cucumber in 7 steps. I have written also test engine framework made easy. Okay, so if you want it, just read the description below of this video tutorial and just place an order. You know how to place an order. Just go to YouTube channel. Okay, this is YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, go to YouTube channel. Woohoo. What the hell? Okay, now go to YouTube channel. Okay, just subscribe it here. Okay, unsubscribe, subscribe, then click on bell icon. It will help you to find the notification here every single day. Then go to the channel, and here is PayPal donations. If you want to contribute, if you want to encourage us creating more videos, you can contribute maybe a couple of dollars. Okay, not a problem. If you don't contribute, not a problem at all. But if you want to buy or get ebooks, okay, go to this video tutorial, and you can find what are the books you can get from us. Okay, and you can place an order, and we can deliver via email. Okay, and you can find all the video tutorials step by step here. And if you want to join the uTest, just join here, click here and sign up. Start learning. Okay, keep learning 7 days, then start working from day 8. Okay, that's very simple. If you even don't know anything about computer, if you can switch on and off, join the community. Thank you very much. See you in the next series. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Let's make this Mother Earth a better living place for next generation. See you in the next